Hello student, today I'm teaching you business studies for class 11th, and as you know that we are revising. In previous video I taught you case study questions based on the last chapter, that was international business. So same in this video we will revise some more question regarding the international business. So Ramakant, this is the first question. Ramakant is a successful businessman who is engaged in manufacturing of auto spare parts. So the product manufactured by him are sold not only in India but are also exported to various countries like Singapore, Switzerland, Belgium, etc. So on the basis of given case, answer the following questions. So you must have to read the case carefully. Okay, now based on the case, first question, identify the two kinds of business in which Ramakant is engaged. So you have to tell which type of business in which the Ramakant is engaged. Next, differentiate between the two types of business as identify and part of the question. So क्वेश्चन में किस पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस की बात की गई है, and you have to write down the difference between the two types of business which you will identify. So first answer you will write like this: the two kinds of business in which Ramakant is engaged are domestic business and international business. Then in second part you will write the answer for differences between the two, refer डोमेस्टिक बिजनेस वाइज इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस. ठीक है, फिर आप उसके डिफरेंस लिख देंगे. फाइन. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. शिवम एंटरप्राइज इज अ लीडिंग मैन्युफैक्चरर ऑफ द होम सिक्योरिटी इक्विपमेंट्स and its products enjoy a very good reputation in the Indian market. So encouraged by this, Karthik, owner of the firm, is thinking of expanding the work to foreign territories also. So Karthik want to export the security equipments to Europe. So he consulted Abhay, one of his friends who is actively involved in export and promote of goods, involved in export and import of goods. So Abhay told Karthik that export of goods required a special procedure. Abhay also explained that advantages and disadvantages of international business to Karthik. Now based on this case, two questions are given. First question is discuss the procedure which is required to be followed by Karthik for export of goods, and next also discuss the various advantages and disadvantages of international business to Karthik. So in first answer you will write, refers the heading procedure of export trade. So you must write first the procedure of export trade all, and then in second point you write the advantages and disadvantages of international business. Now next question, though WTO is a successor to GATT, so it is much more powerful body than GATT. So comment. So as I told you while I'll explain the chapter that WTO जो GATT है उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बना. ठीक है. So how you will write the answer? The given statement is correct. Discuss GATT वाइज WTO. ठीक है, तो इन दोनों का डिफरेंस आप उसमें एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे. नाउ लोकेश, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लोकेश इज वेल नोन मैन्युफैक्चरर of stationery items in Lucknow. He has now decided to venture into international business by improving exclusive stationery items from Japan. So his friend Anmol told Lokesh that he cannot start importing of goods overnight. So certain procedure is to be followed for the import of goods. Now discuss the procedure which is required to be followed by Lokesh for import of goods. So here you have to write the procedure of import goods. So all the procedure of import goods you will write in this question. Okay. Now next, Pradeep wants to export auto spare parts to Mr. David in Switzerland. So Mr. David has asked for an inquiry to seek information about availability of goods, price, quality and terms and condition for export of goods. So in response to the inquiry, Pradeep sends a reply in the form of performer invoice. So Mr. David found the price and terms and condition acceptable. Now, so he placed the order for goods. So after verifying the creditworthiness of Mr. David, Pradeep obtained an export license and arranges the pre-shipment finance. Now, on the basis of the given case study, state the next steps to be followed by Pradeep related to the procedure of export trade. So you must have to be look at the case carefully. You must read it carefully. Like performer invoice has given. After performer invoice, credit worthiness also verified. ठीक है, इंटेंट हो गया उससे पहले. Pre shipment finance also has done. Now after this, the following next steps you will be write. So how you will write the answer? Like this. The next steps to be followed by Pradeep in the export trade are production or procurement of goods, pre-shipment inspection, excise clearance, obtaining certificate of origin and reservation of shipping space, packing and forwarding, insurance of goods, custom clearance, obtaining mate receipts, payment of freight and insurance of bill of lading, preparation of invoice and securing payment. Okay, so like this you have to be write the answer. Fine. Now next question, identify the document highlighted in the following statements. This certificate specify the origin of export goods. तो आपने बताना है ये जो पर्टिकुलर आपको स्टेटमेंट दिए कि किस पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट की बात की जा रही है. तो पहला है दिस सर्टिफिकेट स्पेसिफाई द ओरिजिन ऑफ गुड एक्सपोर्टेड. तो ओरिजिन के कंडीशन में सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ ओरिजिन. नेक्स्ट, दिस डॉक्यूमेंट इज इशूड बाय अ कमांडिंग ऑफिसर ऑफ द शिप टू द एक्सपोर्टर आफ्टर द कार्गो इज लोडेड ऑन द शिप. सो हियर mate receipt. Okay, the next, this document is prepared by shipping company to acknowledge the receipt of goods on ship and gives an undertaking to carry them to port of destination. So this is the bill of lading. Bill of lading की बात की जा रही है. Next, this document is the most appropriate and secure methods of payment to settle international transaction. इंटरनेशनल ट्रांजेक्शन करते हैं तो ये वाला जो स्टेप है वो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, अप्रोप्रिएट वे है जिससे हम पेमेंट को सिक्योर कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज लेटर ऑफ क्रेडिट. ओके, सो दिस वे यू हैव टू बी राइट द आंसर.